Wolves.
Charge.
Yeah. Who shot the ball out there? Oh, no, who threw the ball? Of course she was.
Oh, Allison. Allison threw it to Cammy.
She said she wasn't staying.
Give me the keys.
It's mine.
You gotta drive. You gotta drive.
Let's go, Wolves.
Come on, defense!
Good passing, girl.
Watch it.
Come on, man. Good passing.
Hold it.
Yeah, there you go.
Good job, Randy. Good job. There you go.
What's the matter? How come?
Come on, guys. Let's get some
Is
baskets.
it better than that one?
Get open. Get open.
No, that was off.
It was off Randy's foot.
Was it? I knew it was a foot, but I thought it was the other guy.
She bounced it right off her foot.
Come on, defense! Remember last night's go, defense!
Oh, you got a good hand up. Hand up. Get your hand up. That's white. That's white. Oh, baloney.
Get in there, Cam.
Rebound. Don't dribble in there.
Good job, Randy. Nice one, Allison.
He's walking.
Behind you, Cam.
Come on, Brandy.
Dribble.
Rebound.
Get set, Kimberly.
You gotta put pressure. Man, just like that, that lead is gone.
Well, it's the rebound. They're
Well,
out
true that,
rebound.
yeah.
Out rebounding us on offense.
Yep.
They got 7 offensive rebounds.